welcome back to my channel, and welcome to the chicken dish collab. Obviously from the thumbnail, it is with a group of ladies here on YouTube who are all going to be cooking a dish using chicken. So either canned chicken or fresh chicken or cooked chicken, whatever they decide to use. And this is kind of hosted by Kat over at Southern Farm and Kitchen. She didn't really want the recognition, but she is the one that put this together, and she's awesome. She's always putting out, like almost daily, putting out recipe videos. So it's like Southern cooking if you're ever looking for good Southern recipes. She does sides, desserts, main dishes, everything. And she's got a really thick Southern accent. She's really fun to listen to. So make sure you check her out. I will link her channel down below. Thank you so much, Kat, for putting this on and for asking me to be a part of it. And when you're done watching mine, obviously go down and check out the playlist, because there's going to be a whole bunch of other recipes, and I'm going to check it out myself because I'm always looking for new recipes, because chicken is probably my favorite meat of life. So I decided that I was going to choose a recipe that was going to be quick, easy, and delicious. So this is a recipe that I love. I found it off of Pinterest a long time ago. I've made it multiple times. We love it. It's super easy. It has basic ingredients, and it's basically like the epitome of comfort food. So this is really great like in the fall and in the winter, and it's so delicious. You can't go wrong, and anybody can make this. It's super simple. So it's a chicken croissant or chicken crescent casserole, however you want to say it. I always say croissant, but I have been corrected. But I like the versatility of this because you can add stuff into it that you want. I'm just going to do basic chicken and cheese, but you can add veggies. I've done that before, like mixed veggies. I'm actually going to put those on the side today though, just to show you the basic recipe, but you could add whatever you want to it. And is super easy and super delicious, like I said. So I'm going to show you all the ingredients that I'll be using. Okay, so obviously you will need some chicken, and I like these Harvest Land chicken tenderloins. Then you're going to need 2 cans of crescent rolls. I just buy the Great Value, and these are the butter flavor, but you could use whatever kind you want. I'm going to be using this Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. You could use salt if you want, but I always try to stay away from the salt, so I'll be using this. And then I gotta have my pepper. I love pepper on the top. I'm using a can of cream of chicken soup. This is the fat-free, and I've used both fat-free and full fat, and I really don't notice a difference, so I get this whenever I can. I'm also going to be using a lot of cheese. Yum. And then I'm also going to be using some milk, but I will put that in at the end, and I will show you what I'm doing. Okay, so in my pan I've just preheated a little bit of canola oil, and I'm going to add my chicken tenderloins and cook these first. Okay, so when the chicken was finished, I just took it off the heat, chopped it up in smaller pieces, and then I just stuck it back in here just to make sure that it's nice and brown. I kind of like my chicken a little crispy, definitely on the more done side. Okay, so now I'm going to preheat my oven to 350. Okay, so now I'm just going to assemble the crescent rolls. I have a 9x13 dish that I sprayed really good with nonstick cooking spray, and I went ahead and opened both of these cans whenever I'm working with biscuits or crescent rolls. I like to open all the cans first, because once you start messing with these, it's really hard to get these cans open because your hands get really slimy. So I'm just going to open these up, and I do them 4 at a time. I just open them up into the pan. It just makes it easier, but obviously you could do it however you want. And I'm just going to fill each one with chicken and cheese and roll them up. Okay, so I did sort of spread them out a little bit, and I've noticed when I use the Great Value crescent rolls that they do kind of like get sort of, they're not as beautiful as the Pillsbury ones, you know, they're a little bit thinner, but once you cover it and you cook it, you don't even notice, and they taste just the same. So it does look a little messy now, but trust me, it's gonna be delicious. So all I'm gonna do now is just take the last of my chicken that I have left over and put it on the top of this. And any cheese and chicken that you had that fell out, obviously doesn't matter. It's all gonna be baked together anyways. So now I'm just gonna take my can of cream of chicken soup. And then I'm gonna fill this can up with milk and dump that in here and mix together. Now I'm just gonna pour that over the top of this. And then I'm gonna take the last of the cheese and put it over the top, just because why not? All right, so it's ready to go in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. The last thing I want to add is just some pepper on top, and this is optional, but I really like the pepper taste on top of it. Okay, there it is, right out of the oven. I did add 10 minutes onto the cooking. I just wanted to make sure that the croissants were done at the bottom. I always seem to add more time. So I cooked it for 40 minutes, and you can see it's a little browned on top, and it looks delicious. There it is on the plate, and I'm excited to dig into this. So make sure to check out that playlist down below. Make sure to go check out Kat's channel. You'll get lots and lots of recipe ideas and cooking inspiration, and check out the playlist with all the other chicken videos. That's what I'm gonna do. So thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.